Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited with today's unboxing because it's another mystery box unboxing. This one is from Portland Leather Goods. As you can see here, it doesn't have the label of what the bag is inside. Usually they would have a label outside, but because I bought this with one of their last chance clearance items, so they ship it together. That's why you actually don't see the label saying what's color inside the bag. So I'm really excited because last time I didn't get a very exciting color. So hopefully this will be a great holiday surprise for me. But regardless, I'm sure it's a great bag, and even if it's not the best color, I could still give it to my friends or my family as a holiday gift. Now they are shipping from Texas, so it arrived pretty fast, like maybe 2 days or so. Let's open it up. Ooh. The tape is tough today. They have a new thank you card, I guess. Different from what I saw last time. So here is inside the box. I don't know what size of tote. I ordered the tote plus 4 items. I don't know what size of tote they sent me, but based on this shape, I'm guessing it's not a very big tote because my oversized nutmeg color tote is bigger than this box, so I hope at least they give me an interesting color. But let's see. I guess my family is getting a free bag this time. Wow, this is not a regular color for Portland Leather Goods. I don't believe you can get this color on their website. Not sure what they call this, cherry or, well, regardless, it's a pink one. And it comes with a zipper, so this is a great tote. Based on the size, this looks like either medium or large. Could be medium. Very interesting pebble on this bag. And the color is gorgeous. I know ladies who love pink or guys who love pink. I bet you are jealous right now. But pink is not really my color. I mean, I could try, but I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. Not exactly my style of carrying a pink tote. So, but it's really pretty. See, even the zipper pull tab is in pink color. Since I ordered a part plus 4 items, I bet the small items are inside. Usually that's what they do. They wrap the small item inside. Can't believe I got a pink tote. Wow, a lot of paper. Okay. Look like I got a tassel. This looks like nutmeg tassel. Okay. And then also nutmeg pencil case. Well, I hope they don't give me all the nutmeg color items, even though I do have a nutmeg backpack and a big tote, so Maybe they want me to have a full set. This looks like a passport cover. I do want one, so I'm glad I finally got one this time. Oh wow! I think they call this Plum, I believe. This is also a kind of a unicorn color. They call it unicorn color when it's something rare that you cannot get it directly on their website. Wow, this color is gorgeous. Look at that. That's so amazing. And the leather texture, oh my god, I love it so much. Maybe I could still use this one. I do love it though. It has been quite a great bag. Quite a great unboxing. Oh wow! And I believe this is their peacock color. Everyone has been wanting a peacock color bag, so I'm glad I got this oversized. I think this looks like their large cosmetic pouch. I love this kind of pouch. It's really convenient to organize stuff when you travel, and if you have a extra large totes, it's great to use these kind of pouches to organize your stuff. So I love having more of this. Let's put the paper away. I should have another bag inside because I did order one from their clearance section. Another thank you card here. Let's take it out. They have a lot of clearance color for the Dune on their website. So this is their medium crossbody. I have, I think, 3 full-size crossbody. They just released this medium crossbody, and I do want to try it. I have the small one, small crossbody, but that one is kind of small to carry much stuff. So I do want to try the medium, and I wasn't sure which color I should get. I do like their kiwi blue steel color, but I'm not sure they actually match up with my outfit. So when I saw this, they did an extra discount for their Dune color crossbody. I decided to get it. I think with the sales price, it was a great way for me to test out this size of tote. As you can see, it does come with this crossbody strap. Wow, this leather seems to be quite thick. Look at how beautiful the pebbling on this. I know not everyone into pebble leather, but this is really gorgeous. It's very uniform. It has a little bit of vein texture, I believe. Not very obvious, so. And inside, let's take out the stuffing. Small one, I believe it doesn't come with a pocket. But the medium size, it does come with a slip pocket, so it's beautiful. Even the inside is beautiful. And this one, I ordered the one with zipper closure. So I do like this size. This is kind of a good size. Good size for everyday use. It's not too small and it's not too big. Here's a comparison of my mystery tote. Not sure what size is this though, so. But here's the comparison. Maybe I can do a shot for thumbnail. Maybe I'll just kick the box out of the picture for a thumbnail picture. Yeah, it's truly beautiful, doesn't it? I think that's what I love about Portland leather. Their pebble leather is so amazing. Smell good too. So here you go. Today's unboxing, mystery box unboxing, got a pink leather tote. Not sure what color is this, and then the Peacock Cosmetic pouch, and nutmeg pencil case, and a nutmeg tassel is lost in my tote. So, and this I believe they call it plum, maybe. It's kind of a purple color passport cover. You can actually buy a passport size notebook to use this as a notebook cover. It's a great way to use this kind of passport cover since we are not traveling overseas these days. So this would be useful to use it in a small notebook for take notes, write down recipe, plan your days. It would be really useful. Even though it's not likely for me to use this tote, but I have to say I'm pretty happy with today's purchase. This is really a true unicorn color. I can't believe I got this color. Really pretty. Now I need to think of who I'm gifting this one to. What do you think? This is pretty good, right? So if you are interested in getting a mystery box, I highly recommend it, especially if you are new to Portland leather goods. That way, it's a good way to try out their leather, their tote, see if you like the style, and also it's a big chance that you may get unicorn colors. I heard that they are going to put out even more unicorn color to their mystery box for next year. So go order yours. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye. Happy holidays.